What's up, my fellow devs, and welcome back to the Dev Shop. So today we're going to check out motion events. Now this is one of the bread and butters of motion effects, or really any animation system out there. If you want to do precise gameplay logic on the exact hit that the player ends its swing on a punch, or a sword attack, or a AoE attack, or a whatever the case, this is what you want to use. All right, so we're going to go back into motion effects, our animation graph. Let's open it up. All right, so what we want to do is grab a motion that we want to play around with and test on. So your motion events will be down here in the track view. So if I was to go to motions and grab a animation, if I go for the walk forward right here, you can see down here that it starts playing. Now note, to control your play controls, it's over here in the bottom right. You have this to detect your speed or to adjust your speed inside of the animation. So if I wanted to slide this forward, it'll walk faster. This button resets it. This locks it so you can't change it. And you have your play controls here. If you hit stop, because you want to be able to set your motion controls here, but if you hit stop, it does not scrub the animation. Keep that in mind. Stop is very different from pause. Well, obviously you know that. But in this case, it's very important because we hit play, we want to pause. That way we can scrub the animation. All right, so we want to track the feet. So we're looking at the right foot right here. Sorry, left foot. I'm sorry, left foot. When it comes down, about right there, I want to right click, add motion event. All right, drag it over some more, wait for that one to come down, right there, add motion event. All right, and then that one picks up and repeats. All right, so now if you look over to the right in these panels over here, you see motion events. You have some predefined ones, which we're going to ignore for now, which you can actually do right there. Those are presets. We have the motion events properties. When we click on the motion event, it populates. So we have event data. All right, so we want to actually hit the plus sign over here, and we want to add toString event data. As you can see here, it gives us a couple of fields. So what we want to focus on is the parameters. All right, so for the parameter, I'm just going to put right foot. And for this guy, this motion event, I'm going to do the same thing, toString event data. And for the parameters, I'm going to put left foot. All right, so that's all we're going to do for now. So let's go out of here, save this. Don't want to save that. Hit OK. I'm going to go to our movement script canvas. Scroll down. And what I want to do is go over to our search bar in our node palette and go on motion event. As you can see here, I want to grab this event here. Yeah, that level right there. Let's make this bigger. So this is what we're going to use to now call things on those motion events that we just created. So it requires a motion event parameter. So let's go over to our create variables. I'm going to create a variable, type in motion event, and I'm going to call this footsteps. Let's do at the beginning. So motion event footstep. All right, I'm going to grab this. I'm going to set that to this guy here. So now that we set that, we can manipulate the data for that motion event. And as you can see, we set parameters inside those motion events. So all I'm going to do now to test it out is go to debug, grab text on string. Sorry, text on screen. I said string, please. Go to the parameter there. And that's all I want to do. That's really all I want to do right now. I'm going to hit save. Exit out of here. So when I walk, we should get the left and right event from our motion events. So as you can see, we have left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. I spelled left wrong, my goodness. All right, so now to simulate that with sound, since we already have an audio trigger and an audio proxy on our character, let's open up our script canvas again. I'm going to delete this node, or let's do it the real cool way, and that's holding Alt. Oh, so sexy. So good, so good. All right, so let's go ahead and type in random. All right, so what we want to do is grab a random integer. We want to go on the out, plug it in. Now, for those who are wondering, I'm not going to check against the parameter because I want them both to do the same thing. I want them both to create a footstep sound. If you had a difference in motion events, like say an attack versus a voice grunt or something like that, then you would check against the parameter to make sure that if it's the voice grunt event or the weapon slash event, then do this. And those are conditionals that we will probably play around with in the future for more intermediate and advanced videos. But since I want them both to be footsteps, and I'm going to change it based on a random number, then we're good to just plug it right in like this. All right, so we want to random integer, and we want to see if it's equal to 0. And since we're only using 2, if it's not 0, then it's 1. All right, so let's go ahead and get the execute trigger. Copy. Do that there, do that there. All right, and to get sounds, what we're going to do is actually save this real quick, close it, go to Tools, Other, Audio Controls Editor. And since we're in the starter game, we have access to a bunch of sounds from that project. So what I'm going to do is grab the character folder, go to player, Folly? Yeah. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to go to rename just so I can copy the name. Close that. Open that up. I could have just renamed it and then used those simpler names, but whatever. Close it. Open the tools and the audio controls again and find a totally different sound. Enemies, I'm going to hit, rename, do that, copy that as well, go back to the script canvas and go to copy and paste that. All right, now save that one more time. And now when I hit play, I should get a different sound every time the player walks to simulate footsteps. So let's walk through our little road here. So as you can see, we have different sounds. And I believe one of those sounds already has an abundance of sounds that interchange, which is the power of Wise audio editor that comes with Lumberyard. You can attach different sounds to one of the audio controls automatically through that software. So yeah, we have footsteps based off our motion events. Very cool. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys learned something new. If you guys are not already using motion events, it's a very powerful tool to simulate gameplay at the exact moment that your animation does things. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Let me know how you guys are faring on your projects if you're using Lumberyard. As always, do not forget to check the Discord. Make sure you join up. Post your questions, your comments, and screenshots. Even if you're not using Lumberyard and you're using Unity or Lumberyard or Blender, we have slots for that. Other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering on your projects. And until next time, keep developing.